Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by targeting the roots where locking starts. Clean, dry hair lets gel set and avoid mildew. Once done, section 1 to 2 inch strands and clip away surrounding hair so you can work precisely. You apply a small amount of locking gel, pea-size to 1/2 teaspoon, directly at the root, then press and squeeze the gel into the base with your fingertips to encourage knot formation. Make sure to leave the shaft mostly untouched to preserve freeform texture and reduce over-manipulation. Once the gel is in the root, you encourage tangles with gentle palm rolling or twisting for 30 to 60 seconds. This concentrates the product and helps hairs interlock without breaking the freeform pattern. Make sure to apply sparingly to loose tips if needed, because oversaturating the shaft causes stiffness and buildup. If a single stubborn flyaway remains, you may use a tiny crochet hook for 1 or 2 confident pulls to nest it into the dread, and then reapply a drop of gel to lock it in. You finish by drying completely. Air drying is best, or use a low heat diffuser while keeping movement minimal. Make sure not to touch dreads until they set. Once dry, maintain progress with weekly spot applications at new growth and perform a monthly deep cleanse to remove buildup. If the result is overly crunchy or sticky, dilute the locking gel with water next time or wash out with a clarifying shampoo and start lighter. This troubleshooting step prevents long-term residue and preserves freeform texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.